Good morning, it's Jeta, and today I woke up at 8:30, stayed in bed till like 9, just chilling and reading, and it's now 10. I've had breakfast and I've gotten ready. My bed is unmade, but that's besides the point. I wanted to show a chill, lazy day in my life because I always show the kind of productive, motivated sides of my life because that's just what this channel is. I'm not going to do any academic work whatsoever, and I wanted to film because it's important to show those sides of things too, because I think otherwise people get the idea that I constantly work. Now it's half term, I'm not going to do work. It's been a very tough term with the whole online school thing and I'm so tired. I just need this break so much, and I thought I'd take you along with me basically on a random day where I will not be doing work. I was reading This Is Going to Hurt by Adam Kay, and I really like this book. It's funny, but at the same time really highlights some of the difficulties of the NHS and working as a doctor. Anyway, I'm going to make my bed right now, and I think I will maybe read for a bit. No to-do list, no timetables, just fun. My friend just texted me now and asked if I wanted to FaceTime her and call, so that's what I'm going to do now, just catch up with her and have a good chat. But just before I call her, I need to tidy up my room because there's loads of stuff on the floor. But yeah, I'm just going to give my room a quick tidy. Okay, so we are gonna go on a walk now that we've eaten lunch. So yeah, I think after we go on a walk, I'm going to, I think play some piano, practice some piano, because I haven't done that in a while, and I'm at that stage where I know the piece, and so I can kind of play it without me struggling to read the notes at the same time as trying to figure out the fingering, and then I don't actually feel the music, I just play robotically. So I'm excited to do some piano, but now we've got to go. Yeah, see you on the walk. So I've just been browsing for books, as you do, and I've found a very good deal. So I've been looking at History Is All You Left Me by Adam Silvera for a while now because I really liked They Both Die at the End, which I read last year, and I just loved his writing style, but also the stories that he creates are so amazing. And basically, I've been looking at History Is All You Left Me for a while, and I really like his other books too. Like, they look good, and I do want to read them at some point. And I went on Amazon, and it's 99p. Like, that is such a good deal. Like, £1 for a book. I definitely buy too many books. I try to be as mindful as I can when buying books, and I really like contemplate whether I want this book or not. Even when it comes to Kindle books, I have been thinking about getting this book for months. I know it's like really high on my TBR. I'm like contemplating, should I get the paperback, should I get the Kindle? I see that the Kindle is like 99p, and for me it's like, aha. You know, I just think it's a sign. I think this is a sign that it's telling me, yep, you gotta get it. I don't actually know what I want to do now. Ooh, yes. Okay. It's time for puzzles. I'm determined to get this puzzle done before the end of half term. Okay, so I'm trying to do this, and I'm having a realization that if I spend loads of time on like one section, it's taking me ages, and I am not understanding the full puzzle because, as I said in another video, there is no packaging picture to this, so I literally have no idea what it looks like. And so I thought if I find all the kind of edge bits, like the bits on the edges, and build that, it might help me to understand where the puzzle's going a bit more. And normally that's what you do with a puzzle, but with this, there were so many pieces and so many sections that it was literally impossible to do, and I did not have the space to. But now that I've got a section here and here, and then I've got a section there, I think I might find it easier and find the space to do it. I'm gonna stop now because my back is hurting. It's a really bad position, but I literally have nowhere else to put it, and I'm getting tired. I've made progress, and that's something. So I've done this whole section. I've figured out some of the edge bits, which is good, and yeah, I'm slowly but surely getting there. I'm feeling so tired, and then I remembered matcha tea. I love matcha, but I try not to have it every single day because I know it is caffeinated, and I don't really want to like rely on matcha tea, but it is so good. And whenever I feel really low on energy, I do find that I get this energy boost, which is a slow release, because matcha tea is not like coffee. It kind of releases energy slowly rather than in a quick burst. So let's go.
Devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I would be no.
I'm just gonna read some poetry now. I'm gonna read some of Gillian Clark's poetry her selected poems, and I am gonna read them but also do some analysing of them, so I'm not just like passively looking at them, because I think with poetry, unless you really engage with it, you're not really properly reading it, if that makes sense. Our fingers curl on enamel mugs of tea like ploughmen, the stones clear in the rain giving their colours. It's not easy. There are no brochure blues or boiled sweetbreads. All is ochre and earth and cloud green nettles tasting sour in the smells of moist earth and sheep's wool. The wattle and daub chimney hood has decayed away, slowly creeping to dust, chalking the slate floor with stories. It is all the first necessity for a high standard of civilized living. Silence inside, a circle of sound, water and fire, light on uncountable miles of mountain, from a big unpredictable sky, 2 rooms, walking and sleeping, 2 lounges, 2 centuries of past to ponder on, and the basic need to work hard in order to survive. Bit later now, but I thought I would just end the video here because I am literally just gonna get into bed and watch an episode of Suits, which I've watched before, but I'm rewatching it because it's so good. I don't know what it is about the show, but I just really love it, and gonna watch an episode of that and then read some more of This Is Going to Hurt by Adam Kay, which I really am enjoying. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit different to what I normally film, but I know that some of the things I did for relaxation and pleasure, not everyone's going to enjoy, so do keep that in mind. Like, I just did things that I like doing. That was my day today, and to be fair, it's pretty realistic of what I've been doing this half term, so yes, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!